I will show you how to easily create a YouTube video. This is how I actually create my Thai language lessons. I use ChatGPT to generate images, and I edit the videos using Clipchamp. First, I use ChatGPT to create images. This time, I will create an image of making a restaurant reservation over the phone.
Create an image of making a reservation at a Thai restaurant over the phone. A male customer is calling a Thai restaurant. A female staff member is answering the phone.
Here is an illustration of a male customer making a reservation at a Thai restaurant over the phone. Please take a look.
Please create a horizontal image with the following. On the left, a male customer calling from his office. On the right, a female staff member at a Thai restaurant taking the reservation.
Here is a horizontal illustration with a male customer on the left making a phone call from his office, and a female staff member on the right taking a reservation at a Thai restaurant. Please take a look.
Please make it a realistic 3D image instead of an illustration. Both individuals should be facing forward.
Here is a realistic 3D image of a man on the left making a phone call from his office, and a woman on the right taking a reservation at a Thai restaurant. Please take a look.
The woman is answering the phone.
This is a realistic 3D depiction with a scene of a woman answering the phone added on the right, and a man making a call on the left. Please take a look.
Yes, it's very good.
Thank you. I'm glad you're pleased. If you have any further requests, please don't hesitate to let me know. I will download the image. Next, I will edit the video using Clipchamp. I will create the narration for the video description. I will select a video from the content library. Once selected, press the plus button. I will import the image created earlier with ChatGPT into Clipchamp. To do this, I will select the image from the Import Media option. Press the plus button on the selected image. Display the image on the editing timeline, and extend it to match the desired duration. Next, add text to the screen. Select a text effect. This time, choose the fade effect and press the plus button. Press the text on the right side. Enter the text. Adjust the text size. To create the narration, press Record and Create on the left, then select Text-to-Speech. The text-to-speech content will appear on the right. Enter the text in the text box. Press Preview to check the narration voice.
YouTube ビデオの作り方を紹介します。チャット GPT、クリプチャンプを使って簡単に作成します。
Since the narration voice was suitable, I pressed save. Next, I will add the narration to the timeline of the Thai restaurant image. Press Text-to-Speech on the left. Enter the Thai text on the right. Then, select Thai as the language. Choose a voice from the available options. Press the Listen to this voice button to preview the voice. Press the Details button to adjust the pitch and pace of the voice.
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Press Preview to check the voice.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Once the voice is confirmed, press Save.
ร้านอาหารไทยค่ะ
I will change the voice from a female voice to a male voice, so I will update the audio.
เลือกจากเสียงที่หลากหลายเพื่อช่วยให้คุณสร้างเรื่องราวที่ควรค่าแก่การแชร์ สวัสดีครับ ขอจองโต๊ะครับ
I am making slight adjustments to change the voice.
ขอจองโต๊ะครับ
Once adjusted, rewind and check.
สวัสดีค่ะ ร้านอาหารไทยค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ ขอจองโต๊ะครับ
Select background music audio from the content library.
YouTube ビデオ
Adjust the audio volume.
YouTube ビデオ
Adjust the length of the fade in and fade out. Go back to the start and check the
YouTube ビデオ
video.
の作り方を紹介します。チャット GPT、クリプチャンプを使って簡単に作成します。
สวัสดีค่ะ ร้านอาหารไทยค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ ขอจองโต๊ะครับ
Once the video editing is complete, press the export button to save the video. Enter the video title. Press the Save to Computer button and save the video to your desired location. Great job! You have successfully created a YouTube video easily. Watch this video repeatedly and practice.